Hello, welcome to everyone. Let's see the problem related to maximum minimum points and vertex of the axis of symmetry. So under this topic, we have to find the graph of the parabola. That is equation of the parabola. They are given with three graphs. One is A and this B and C. Three parabolic curves are provided as a graph. Okay. But we have to find the equation of each of the graphs. Okay. Now initially we have looked into the graph A, that is a blue color graph, and we have to determine what would be the equation of the parabola A to sketch like this. Okay. Initially we have to find some points. Initially I can find the vertex. 1 minute. I can give the vertex. This is 4, 2. And then I can get the point, 2 points, 1, 11 and 7, 11. Take these points and we can find the equation. Okay, points on the curve is 7, 11 and this side 1, 11 and vertex is 4, 2. We have know that what would be the vertex form of the parabola is y is equal to, this is a general equation, this is a vertex form of the parabola. Okay, the vertex form is a of x minus h to the whole square plus k. Here h and k are 4 and 2 respectively. Okay, then we can substitute one of the points 7, 11 or 1, 11 to determine the value of a. I have used the numbers 7, 11. Substitute 7 for x and y for 11. And 11 is equal to 8 times 7 minus 4 the whole square plus 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 3 square. That 2 goes that side to make 11 minus 2 as 9. Then 9 equal to 8 times 9, which is 9 is equal to 1. So the equation of the parabola A is x minus 4 the whole square plus 2. Okay. Is there any doubt? Okay, let's move on to find the equation of the parabola B. Here also we have to find 3 points. One point is vertex and two other points or one other point to determine the value of A. Here I have used 2 points. One is vertex, the other one is y-intercept. Okay. Here vertex is this minus 2 comma minus 6 and y-intercept is 0 comma 10. Use these 2 points and we have to substitute h comma k in the general vertex form of the parabola, and then we can substitute 0 for x and 10 for y to determine the value of a. 10 is equal to 8 times 0 plus 2 the whole square minus 6. That's minus 6 goes that side to make 10 plus 6 as 16, which is equal to 8 times 2 squared, which is 4. So 16 by 4 is equal to 4. So the value of A is 4. So the equation of the curve B is 4 times x plus 2 the whole square minus 6. That's it. Shall we move on to the parabola BC? Yeah. Here also we have to get 3 points. One is vertex, 2 is 2 points from x-intercepts. Okay. This is the vertex, that is 2 comma 8, and x-intercepts are 6 comma 0 and minus 2 comma 0. Using these 3 points we can find the value of a and h comma k. H comma a is 2 comma 8 and the points on the curves are minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 6, 6 comma 0. So using any of the points from x-intercept and y-intercept to find the value of a. Here I have been used the point of y-intercept, that is 0 comma 6. Substitute 0 for x and 6 for y. 6 minus 8 is minus 2 and 0 minus 2 is 2. So 8 times 2 squared equal to minus 2. So a is equal to minus half. So the required equation is minus half x minus 2 the whole square plus 8. This would be the equation of the curve. So this is a these easy method. When a graph of parabola is provided, we have to determine first what would be the vertex and then what would be any other points on the curve. Using vertex, we know that h and k, and using the points on the curve, we can determine the value of a. That's all. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.